How to make money using ChatGPT. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to earn money using ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. This remarkable AI tool can be leveraged to create income streams. So, let's dive in and explore the possibilities. Before we begin, it's important to note that earning with ChatGPT can be done through various means. Let's start with the most popular way: content creation. One way to monetize ChatGPT is by creating engaging content on platforms like YouTube or Twitch. You can utilize ChatGPT to generate unique and informative scripts for your videos. This enables you to produce consistent high-quality content without running out of ideas. As your channel grows, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or even selling merchandise related to your content niche. But content creation is just the beginning. ChatGPT can also help you in various freelance and gig economy platforms. Let's take a look at some of those opportunities. Whether you're a writer, marketer, or graphic designer, ChatGPT can serve as your assistant. You can use it to generate creative ideas, assist with research, or even draft content. This way, you can increase your productivity, take on more clients, and ultimately earn more money. Furthermore, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for entrepreneurs and business owners. Let's explore how it can contribute to your success. If you're starting a business or looking to scale an existing one, ChatGPT can be your virtual consultant. It can help you brainstorm ideas, refine marketing strategies, and generate innovative solutions. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can make informed decisions, enhance customer experiences, and ultimately boost your revenue. Now, let's discuss a few additional ways to earn using ChatGPT. You can develop AI-powered applications or chatbots for businesses and clients. Companies are always looking for innovative ways to improve their customer service, and by leveraging ChatGPT, you can create personalized experiences for their users. Another exciting option is to participate in AI competitions and challenges. Several organizations and platforms host competitions where developers showcase their AI models. If you excel in these competitions, you can win prize money or even get hired by companies interested in your skills. Lastly, there's ongoing research in the field of AI ethics, and organizations are actively seeking insights from users like you. You can participate in surveys, interviews, or beta testing programs, providing valuable feedback on AI systems. Some organizations may offer compensation for your time and input.